What they told me yesterday is that I was supposed to be like, I might feel pain, and what I told her is that immediately after the procedure, everything felt much better immediately. The pain that I had all day, it was almost gone. I did still feel the pain where the needle went, but you know, it's really minor. And then she told me what to take in case of pain, because last night was supposed to be the painful night. There was no pain at all. And it's just, I mean, I already, like I say, I was ready to go back to work, but she said, don't do it. And I'm ready to go back. I mean, it feels, I'm not saying there is no pain, but it's definitely, I will say 10-20% of how I felt.
This instrument is perfect for knee pain. It also helps with back pain as well. Several different things. If you're having any pain, it is perfect to use because it's pain-free and it's opioid-free as well.
This will be my best 1200 investment. This is a good investment because I have literally for almost 5 months of pain. I mean, it's like painful. And now it's like, wow, maybe this thing works. So I do have to admit it. At first I was like not so sure. You know, maybe this is not the right thing. But after I did what I did, it was like amazing. This is great.